Welcome to AskPrep, your trusted companion for UPSC and IAS preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of technology, which is challenges of cryptocurrency adoption. Cryptocurrency has emerged as a revolutionary financial innovation, offering a decentralized, digital alternative to traditional currencies. With its promise of secure, borderless, and transparent transactions, cryptocurrency has gained significant global traction. However, the road to widespread adoption is fraught with challenges that extend beyond technology, impacting economic systems, regulatory frameworks, and societal norms. In this video, we will examine the key hurdles that hinder the mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrency and explore their implications for the global financial ecosystem. One of the primary challenges is regulatory uncertainty. Cryptocurrency operates outside the control of central authorities, which makes it difficult for governments to define and enforce regulations. The decentralized nature of blockchain technology, which underpins cryptocurrencies, complicates jurisdictional boundaries. Countries have adopted varying approaches, ranging from outright bans to permissive regulation, creating a fragmented global landscape. This lack of uniformity poses risks for investors and businesses, as compliance requirements differ significantly across borders. A related issue is the potential for misuse. Cryptocurrencies have been associated with illegal activities such as money laundering, tax evasion, and the financing of illicit operations. The pseudonymous nature of cryptocurrency transactions makes it difficult to trace and identify parties involved in such activities. This has raised concerns among law enforcement agencies and policymakers who view cryptocurrency as a double-edged sword, capable of empowering individuals but also enabling criminal enterprises. The volatility of cryptocurrency prices further undermines its adoption as a stable medium of exchange. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have experienced extreme price fluctuations, driven by speculative trading, market sentiment, and technological developments. This volatility discourages their use in everyday transactions and makes them an unreliable store of value. Businesses accepting cryptocurrencies as payment face the additional risk of value erosion, which complicates their integration into the mainstream economy. Another critical barrier is scalability. As the number of users and transactions increases, blockchain networks face limitations in processing speed and capacity. For instance, Bitcoin's network can process only a limited number of transactions per second compared to traditional payment systems like Visa or MasterCard. Congestion on blockchain networks leads to delays and higher transaction fees, reducing their efficiency and attractiveness. While solutions like the Lightning Network aim to address these issues, widespread implementation remains a work in progress. Energy consumption is a significant concern associated with cryptocurrency mining, particularly for proof-of-work blockchains like Bitcoin. Mining involves solving complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and secure the network, which requires substantial computational power. This process consumes vast amounts of electricity, often derived from non-renewable sources, contributing to carbon emissions and environmental degradation. The sustainability of cryptocurrency mining has become a contentious issue, with critics questioning its alignment with global climate goals. Accessibility is another obstacle. Despite its potential to democratize finance, cryptocurrency remains inaccessible to a large portion of the global population. Limited internet penetration, technological illiteracy, and the high cost of entry restrict its adoption in developing regions. Moreover, the complexity of blockchain technology and the lack of user-friendly interfaces deter individuals unfamiliar with digital assets. Bridging this digital divide is essential for ensuring that cryptocurrency fulfills its promise of financial inclusion. The absence of tangible backing or intrinsic value also raises concerns about cryptocurrency's long-term viability. Unlike traditional currencies, which are backed by governments or physical assets, most cryptocurrencies derive their value solely from market demand and investor confidence. This perception of speculative value fuels skepticism among traditional financial institutions and cautious investors. For cryptocurrencies to gain widespread acceptance, they must establish credibility as reliable and sustainable assets. The influence of centralized exchanges in a decentralized ecosystem presents a paradox. While cryptocurrencies are designed to operate without intermediaries, centralized exchanges dominate the market, facilitating trading and liquidity. These exchanges are susceptible to regulatory scrutiny, security breaches, and manipulation, which undermine the decentralized ethos of cryptocurrency. Decentralized exchanges offer an alternative but face challenges such as lower liquidity and complex user interfaces. Cultural and psychological barriers also play a role in slowing cryptocurrency adoption. Many individuals are wary of adopting a completely digital form of money due to a lack of understanding, trust, or familiarity. Traditional banking systems, with their long-established credibility, provide a sense of security that cryptocurrencies have yet to achieve. Overcoming this inertia requires extensive education and awareness campaigns to demystify cryptocurrency and highlight its benefits. From a macroeconomic perspective, the disruptive potential of cryptocurrency poses challenges for governments and central banks. Cryptocurrencies threaten to undermine the control that central authorities have over monetary policy, currency issuance, and financial stability. The potential for capital flight and the loss of seigniorage revenue further complicate the integration of cryptocurrency into the formal economy. Policymakers must balance fostering innovation with safeguarding economic stability. In conclusion, while cryptocurrency holds immense potential to transform the global financial system, its adoption is impeded by a range of challenges spanning regulatory, technological, environmental, and societal domains. Addressing these challenges requires collaborative efforts from governments, businesses, and the global community. For students and policymakers, understanding these complexities is essential for navigating the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency and shaping policies that promote its responsible and sustainable integration into society. Thank you. This is AskPrep, your guide to mastering UPSC and IS preparation. Let's decode complex topics and simplify your journey to success.